Top 10 wildest animals. 10. Lions kills 200 humans per year. 9. Hippos kills 500 humans a year. 8. Elephants kills 600 humans per year. 7. Crocodiles kills 1,000 humans per year. 6. Scorpions kills 3,300 humans per year. 5. Assassin bugs, Chagas disease, kills 10,000 humans per year. 4. Dogs, rabies, kills 59,000 per year. 3. Snakes, kills 138,000 humans per year. 2. Humans, homicides only, kills 400,000 humans per year. 1. Mosquitoes, kills 725,000 per year.
Most popular types of dogs in 2022 and 2023. In 2023, 1. French Bulldog. 2. Labrador Retriever. 3. Golden Retriever. 4. German Shepherd Dog. 5. Poodle. And they are the same in 2022.